Hi, my name is Johanna and I'm a consultant from Virtual Manufacturing working with layout. You might wonder how to create a layout and what the benefits are from it, so let's take 2 minutes to go through. First, we usually do a 3D scanning of the area. It could be an empty building, it could be a fully equipped building, or it could be an outdoor area where a building is supposed to be built. From this scanning we get a point cloud with panoramas that we can have a look around and take notes of what to keep and what to change in the future. Then we'll take this point cloud and put it in a CAD software and create a CAD model from the point cloud. And now we have a 3D layout based on the point cloud, which is accurate to real life. So the machines are in the right positions and the doors are in the right position. So if you have a 2D layout from before the building was even built, it's very rare that machines are in the right position and maybe even pillars are in some way shifted to some point. The biggest benefit from having an up-to-date layout is that you know where everything is positioned and it's in the right position according to the real world. When we have the as-is layout, it's time to start planning for the future. And this is often done together with the customer in order to get the optimal layout depending on the customer's needs. And we often do this together with the customer in workshops. If you're interested in creating a layout for your company, or if you just want to know more about it, don't hesitate to contact us at Virtual Manufacturing. Have a nice day.